Hello and welcome to NRGY Tech News. My name is Gargi Changla and let's have a look at this interesting news. This bizarre Japanese flying bike screeches like an eagle and hovers. The Xtrusimo can briefly fly above a racetrack, but that's all it can do for now. So I was extremely surprised when Japanese startup ALI Technologies showcased its Xturismo hover bike last week and demonstrated its ability to fly a few meters off the ground at a racetrack near Tokyo. So how does it work? Basically, the Xturismo is what happens when you place a motorcycle on top of a drone platform, and this makes it an VTOL, meaning a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The hover bike is also a hybrid, getting its power from a conventional engine and four electric motors. It's capable of flying thanks to a set of propellers, two primary ones where the wheels would have been, and four secondary propellers at each corner which act as stabilizers. The X-Turismo qualifies as an ultralight aircraft, which means that you don't need to be a certified pilot to fly it. News source The Next Web. Stay tuned for more interesting news. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.